Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most significant chapters in history, the Nuremberg trials. This gripping topic will captivate your attention as we explore how justice was served for Nazi criminals after World War II. Join us as we delve into the trials, the evidence, the verdicts, and the impact they had on the world. Stick around until the end, as we unravel some lesser-known facts and thought-provoking insights. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Let's get started. The Nuremberg trials, justice for Nazi criminals. In the wake of World War II, the world was left reeling from the horrors committed by the Nazis. The sheer scale of their crimes against humanity was unprecedented, and it became clear that justice needed to be served. This gave birth to what would become one of the most significant legal proceedings in history, the Nuremberg trials. The Nuremberg trials were a series of military tribunals held between 1945 and 1949, in the German city of Nuremberg. The primary objective of these trials was to hold accountable those responsible for the atrocities committed during the war. More specifically, the focus was on the high-ranking Nazi officials and military personnel who played a crucial role in planning and executing the Holocaust and other war crimes. The trials were conducted by an international coalition of judges, hailing from the United States, the Soviet Union, the United Kingdom, and France. Together, they formed the International Military Tribunal, which was responsible for prosecuting the most prominent Nazi leaders. The IMT consisted of 4 judges, one from each participating country, and the trials followed a set of agreed-upon rules and procedures. One of the unique aspects of the Nuremberg trials was the establishment of a new legal principle, the concept of crimes against humanity. Until then, international law mainly focused on crimes committed during wartime, such as violations of the laws and customs of war. However, the Nuremberg trials introduced the notion that individuals could be held accountable for crimes committed against civilian populations, even during times of peace. The trials were divided into several categories, each targeting different groups of defendants. The first and most significant trial, known as the International Military Tribunal or IMD-1, prosecuted 22 high-ranking Nazi officials. Among the defendants were Hermann Göring, Rudolf Hess, and Albert Speer, all of whom played significant roles in Hitler's regime. The evidence presented during the trials was extensive and damning. Eyewitness testimonies, documents, and other forms of evidence were used to establish the guilt of the accused beyond a reasonable doubt. The prosecution's objective was to not only prove the individual responsibility of each defendant but also to demonstrate the systematic nature of the crimes committed by the Nazi regime. The Nuremberg trials were not without their challenges. The proceedings faced numerous legal and logistical hurdles, as this was the first time such a large-scale international trial had taken place. Additionally, there were ideological differences among the participating countries, which occasionally complicated the process. Despite these challenges, the trials marked a significant milestone in the development of international law. They laid the groundwork for future tribunals, such as the International Criminal Court, and set a precedent for holding individuals accountable for crimes against humanity. The Nuremberg trials also played a vital role in shaping the public perception of the Holocaust and ensuring that the world would never forget the atrocities committed by the Nazis. In conclusion, the Nuremberg trials were a landmark event in the pursuit of justice for Nazi criminals. They brought together an international coalition of judges and set a new legal precedent for holding individuals accountable for crimes against humanity. By exposing the heinous acts committed by the Nazis, the trials ensured that the world would never forget the horrors of the Holocaust. The impact of the Nuremberg trials continues to be felt today, as they serve as a reminder of the importance of justice and the need to prevent such atrocities from occurring in the future.